Once upon a million thousand years ago, deep in the Pacific Moana, lived Fa'ata, the mermaid. Fa'ata was a very special mermaid and the only one known to still live in the Pacific Moana. Fa'ata, which means mirror in Samoa, had the most amazing superpower. When you looked at her, she could reflect back how you look on the inside. So if you were good and did what you were told, once you locked muckers with Fa'ata, she'd appear like this.
Wow.
But it also meant that if you were a fair potts, never listened, Fa'ata would appear like this. Oh gosh. But one day, Fa'ata mysteriously vanished. The story goes that this guy called Le Muffs was out on his vaka having lunch. When he was finished eating his 150-piece chicken meal, he threw the empty box into the Moana. This really upset Fa'ata.
Hey, some of us live down here, so stop throwing your rubbish into the Moana. You are so muffs, man.
Say what? A mermaid? I thought you were just a made-up tale of the Moana.
Well, it's obvious I'm real, and you know what else is real? Your rubbish, destroying our home.
Hey, you're the mirror mermaid, eh?
I sure am.
Fa'ata decided to teach Le Muffs a lesson and showed him the damage of his litter. And Le Muffs cried like a big baby. When suddenly, Fa'ata's grandma burst out of the Moana.
That's enough, Fa'ata.
Fa'ata was distracted by her grandmother and unlocked eyes with Le Muffs, allowing him to escape.
I didn't mean to make him cry like a big baby, Grandma. I just wanted to show him how much damage his 150-piece chicken box can do to our home.
But that's for the humans to figure out, not for you to be all Aquaman Police 10-7 on him.
But
Fa'ata, you know the rules. You can't interfere with the humans.
those are some really dumb rules, Grandma. I'm not going to stand back and watch our home get destroyed.
Grandma knew Fa'ata had a point, but these were the rules of the Moana. So Grandma had no choice but to banish Fa'ata way down to the bottom of the Moana to stop her interfering.
I'm sorry. One day you'll understand, Fa'ata.
But when Fa'ata's grandma went to push the banish for a fortnight button, a gust of wind blew the 150-piece chicken box in her direction, and it covered her head, forcing her to push the banish forever button instead.
Oh, no!
But hang on. There is one way to break the curse. When our Moana is free from litter, Fa'ata will surface once again.
To this day, Fa'ata still swims along the bottom of the Moana. But if you'd like to see her return to the surface, in her grandma's words, don't be Le Muffs and keep the Moana litter-free. In the meantime, to honor Fa'ata, when you next look into the mirror, think about what Fa'ata would show you if you stood before her. Your insides will always determine how you look on the outside.
I'd mirror that advice.